I'm going to do my fence. Combat wire. So, as you can see, it's newly purchased. Bagong bili yan. So, ngayon, tatanggalin ko siya. Ayan. Ginamit ko guantes. Yung guantes na pwede sa kuryente at pwede sa mga ganyan. Talagang hindi matutusok kamay mo. You see, it will not penetrate my hands. It's invincible. I open it up. Yeah. It takes a lot of courage. I made a lot of research in YouTube on how to put a combat wire in your fence. So, I'm very confident. I am confident always. Right? I always think that I can follow instructions. So, that's it. You see, it's new. Oh, it's very dangerous. You cannot just touch it. It's very dangerous. It's so sharp. I got a lot of scratches from that one. I had a wound from this thing. Right now, I have a wound in my hands. Yeah. See? Voila. So, I spread it and carry it on my own and put it in my fence so no one will touch it and break it. It is almost done. Oh my God, I have to cut some guava. I'm alone.